In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use collections in Microsoft Edge. Collections help you gather links, images, and snippets from the web into neat, organized groups so you can research, plan, or study without losing track of anything. Start by opening Microsoft Edge. In the top right corner, click the three dots to open the main menu. From there, go to More Tools and choose Collections. This opens a pane on the right side of your browser where all your collections will live. If you prefer, you can also use the Collections button on the toolbar. If you don't see that button, open Settings, go to Appearance, and toggle on the Collections button to make it show up. To create your first collection, select the option to Start New Collection at the top of the pane. Give it a clear name, like Vacation Planning or School Project, so you'll instantly recognize it later. A well-named collection makes it easier to stay organized when you have several projects going at once. Adding content is straightforward. On any web page, right-click an image, a link, or some highlighted text. Choose Add to Collections, then pick the collection you just created. Each item will appear as a card with a thumbnail and a title, making it easy to scan what you've saved. If you're researching multiple topics, repeat that process and send items to the appropriate collection as you browse. As your collection grows, you can rearrange it. Click and drag cards up or down to put the most important items at the top. For a quick tidy-up, open the three dots menu within the collection and sort items by name, date created, or recently used. Sorting helps when you've gathered a lot and need a structured view fast. When you're ready to jump back into a project, open the three dots menu on the collection's name and select Open All. Edge will launch every saved link in separate tabs, which is great for picking up where you left off. Just be mindful if you have a very large collection, as it can open many tabs at once. A quick note about visibility. The Collections bar appears on the new tab page, so you'll see it there even if it's hidden elsewhere. Finally, you can share or export your work. Click the three dots or the share icon and choose Send to Word, Send to Excel, or Send to OneNote to generate a formatted document with your links. Need a quick list? Select Copy All to copy the entire collection to your clipboard and paste it into an email or document. That's how to use collections in Microsoft Edge to keep your web research clean, organized, and ready to use.